Although Israel has not taken responsibility for the exploding pager attack Tuesday, it is widely blamed. Israeli security experts say the explosives were implanted into the pagers as they were manufactured.
In order to get this kind of wounds, you need to have between 1 to 2 grams of a type of explosive, which is not a big technological issue. You just need to open the beeper. Once again, it's a whole supply chain. You need to open the beeper to put a very not sensitive explosive that it will not get operated in the time that you don't want it to operate, and a small operational card that can get commands from the outside. If we all remember how beeper is working, you just send some kind of message from a communication tower and it's spread all over.
Hezbollah ordered the pagers from a Taiwanese company called Gold Apollo. A representative of the company said the pagers had actually been made by BAC, a Hungarian manufacturer. Pinko said planning technologically complex operations like these takes a long time.
This is intelligence operations that was very well planned, prepared for more than 1.5 years.
Israel is bracing for promised retaliation by Hezbollah, and several airlines canceled flights. But there was no sense of panic in the country, and schools and workplaces were open as usual. Israeli analysts warn that a direct conflict between Israel and Hezbollah would likely escalate to a regional war, and they say Israel would call for U.S. support.
I suppose we are going to see more than before attacks from Iraq, Houthis, even direct attacks from Iran, and maybe this time also from Syria. So it's going to be a full-scale war, and we need the Americans beside us.
U.S. officials say they did not know about the alleged Israeli operation in advance and have been working to find a diplomatic way out of the conflict between Israel and Hezbollah. Israel says it just wants its 60,000 evacuated residents to be able to return to their homes near the Lebanese border. Linda Gradstein, VOA News, Jerusalem.